What's going on, everybody? My name is Ime. I'm a content creator out of Baltimore, Maryland, and today I'm going to be unboxing some artwork from one of my favorite content creators, Jeromy Black. I found Jeromy's Instagram when I was searching for drone tags, and I saw his page come up. I had a chance to visit, and there were so many beautiful pictures and so much life that he was creating through these visuals, and I wanted to support. So I had a chance to go to his Instagram page, ended up on his web page where I was able to see the prints that he offered. And as a creator myself, I know how important it is to support Black businesses. So I looked around at the shop, I noticed some really amazing pictures that he had, but I chose this one that really meant a lot to me, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So after I was able to search around on Jeromy's website, I finally came across a picture that I liked. I ordered it and it arrived in the mail about 5 days later. So shout out to Jeromy on the quick turnaround on the mailing. And I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm gonna blur my name out, and this is what came in the mail. So we're gonna get into it right now. All right. So this is actually a picture from Chicago, Illinois. So last year, I had a chance to do my first ever road trip from Baltimore to California, and one of the stops was actually in Chicago. Anywhere that I go in the world, I am always taking pictures. I'm always super close to trains and train tracks. I wanted to make sure that I had something that I could remember about Chicago and the great time that I had there. Shout out to Jeromy for taking this beautiful photo and the edit. It's really nice. It has this really nice kind of glossy effect. It looks like it's printed on Fujifilm, which is a really nice quality paper. I feel like all I need to do right now is to actually get a frame because I want this to look nice. If you guys want to find out more about Jeromy's work, you can follow him on Instagram. His handle is Jeromy_Bond. From there, you can follow the link to his website and his prints page where you can see all of his beautiful work and hopefully order some. I just wanted to thank you guys so much for this opportunity for listening. It is now more important than ever that we are supporting each other, that we are amplifying our voices, and that we're also supporting Black businesses. And guess what? You don't even have to be Black to support Black businesses. If you see a picture that you like, if you have an artist that you follow, see if they have prints, see if they have things for sale that you can support. So as Black people, especially as creators, we need to make sure that we can reach as many people as we can, and we make our creations available to others. So Jeromy, thanks so much for doing this. Thank you everybody for listening. I cannot wait to see you guys in the next time, and as always, support Black businesses. Peace.